Hey everyone, Jesse from Sicard RV. Today I'm going to take you through the brand new 2020 Fleetwood Pace Aero 35 RV. The Fleetwood Pace Aero comes on the Freightliner Freedom Bridge chassis, has a 340 horsepower Cummins engine, and I'm going to take you guys through the exterior of the coach. We have large metal storage bins up front. Easy access to the propane tank, which is right next to the entry door. So it's very easy to shut it off and turn it back on. We have our water tank. Carry all of our fresh water. Central vac, because that's very important. And some more storage. Continuing the exterior on the off-door side of the coach, we have the washer fluid stored up front, another large metal storage bin, a plastic large storage bin that goes almost all the way through, another metal storage bin, which is good for wood blocks, stuff like that. This is your wet bay here, which has your water hookups as well as your drainage for your black and gray tank, as well as your filters. Behind, the rear dual tires, which by the way, come with alloy Alcoa rims. Then we have the DEF fluid fill, followed by the Jaboni solar charger, factory installed surge protector, easy access for all your electrical, and then we have the engine batteries. Finishing off the exterior, we have the two most important exterior options. The outdoor entertainment area with the TV and the speaker, as well as the dual awnings, which almost go the full length of the coach. So the Pace Aero comes on the Freightliner Freedom Bridge chassis. New for 2020 and 2021, we get the new digital dash. You also get your backup cameras on a separate monitor, and then your radio is separate as well. At the front of the coach, we have the electronic bed that comes down to sleep 2 adults or 2 kids. This Pace Aero was ordered in with the optional theater seating, which does recline as well. As well on the opposite side, we have the booth dinette that does go down to make into a bed. This vehicle features a lot of overhead cabinetry. We have solid surface countertops, as well as stainless steel sinks, nice dual sinks, and a stainless steel faucet. We have the sink covers here, which you can also turn over and use as cutting boards. And your hidden electrical outlets. We have the 2-burner induction cooktop, convection microwave, so it also works as an oven. And then we have our residential fridge. At the rear of the coach, we have the master queen bedroom. And then across, we have the bathroom area, which features a nice large countertop, a large sink with lots of storage. We have a separate sink area for the full bathroom here with the toilet as well as the large shower. Now my 2 favorite features of this coach. This coach features a stackable washer dryer, not a combo, which is nice to have a stackable, as well as 2 single bunk beds, which each have their own individual storage areas. Another large one up top, as well as the storage area that can also be used as a closet to hang clothes if need be. Thank you for watching the tour on the 2020 Fleetwood Pace Aero 35 RV. If you have any questions or would like to book an appointment to view the unit, you can email us at sales@sicardrv.com.